Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to create a parametric family. Okay, so this will be this is an individual element, and then will be loaded into another family, and then create an array, and then we can adjust the number of these individual elements, and also we can adjust the overall height, the radius. Okay, so it will be something like this. So we can change the number of this, right? And also we will be able to adjust the height, the radius, the size. Even if you wanted to, you can also change the profile, the size, the shape of the profile, like this. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we're going to create a generic model. So it will be something like this. We're going to use a swept blend, so 1 and 2, and yeah, just combine them. Just use join geometry to make it looks like one. Okay, so first go to any of the elevation view. So let's create a reference plane. Actually 2, so just copy one up, dimension di, and equal another dimension. So this will be the overall height. So let's call it h, for example. Now go to floor plan. We're going to create that swept blend. So the path. So we need to do the path first. So for the swept blend, for the path, we're going to use sketch path. Okay, so use center and arc. So center and arc. So this will be the half circle, and then we can add a ref dimension, and then we can also create a parameter. Let's call it r for the radius of this the path. So now finish. Go to edit profile. So we need to either go to front or back elevation. So okay, so in this elevation, so you can see this is where we place the profile. So if you want the radius, which is the distance from this center reference plane to this, to be the exterior size, so you can just place the profile on the right hand side. So otherwise, if you wanted to have interior radius for the interior, so you can just place a profile on the left hand side. And of course, you can also center and place this profile center to this vertical reference planes. So yeah, it's up to you. So for this one, I'll maybe just place it on the right hand side, which means in the internal. So the radius will be the exterior radius. Okay, so and also I'm not going to add parameter to control the size for this exercise. I just want to maybe just lock onto a reference plane. I think that should be enough. And then this is profile 1. So now click on profile 2, and then click on edit profile, so we can place another one. So this time, so we need to move this up onto this reference plane, and also we're going to place this one on the left hand side of this reference, this vertical reference plane. Again, so change the size, and probably don't need dimension at all. Align and then lock onto the reference plane, and maybe just lock this one as well. Okay, so now we have the first half. So let's have a look in 3D view. So this is it. And then let's do the second one. So again, so create a swept blend, sketch path, center and arc here. So just use, yeah, okay, so this will be it. And then also, oh, hang on. I think that's right. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so go finish this path, and then edit profile, go to the front view again. So this time, okay, here, so that's fine. We can just place, this time we need to place here. So same, align with this reference line. So we're going to change the size to match the oh, sorry, wrong one, and finish. Oh, actually, hang on, let's go edit profiles. Maybe just use align with this reference plan and also lock onto this reference plan. So now finish this first profile. So click on profile 2, edit profile. So this time, so very simple, we just need to match the previous one. And then I'll just lock this edge onto this reference plan and lock this one, oh, sorry, onto this reference plan. Okay, so now finish and finish. Let's go to 3D view. We can use drawing geometry, so it looks like 1, and then have a test. So let's try. Change the height 1500. Yeah, works. Change the radius. Yeah, okay, it works. Okay, great. So this is it. This is the one individual element. So next, let's create a new family. So it can be another generic model, and we're going to place this one into here. So we're going to place it, center to these two reference plan, and then we're going to use this one to use array AR, and this is very important. We're going to use last. Okay, so the reason why we need to use last is, I'll show you. So if we use second, and then maybe just place something like here to here, okay, and then maybe 5. Oh, so you will see it will break this one. So the reason why this is happening, because in a radial array, so we can't have that. We can't have the overall angle greater than 360. So because when we do the hang on, let me just do it another one. So let me just how many do we have here? Looks like we have 3. Yeah, it's a bit hard to, so maybe I'll just do another one. Okay, so create another one, an array second. So this second, so imagine if we do 90 degree and 3 is fine, but once we have 4 it will become 360. Where's the number here? 3 times 4 still okay, but when we have 5, no, it won't work, because it will be more than 360. So we also need to use that angle to control this one, control this array, right? So angle, to add an angle, let me think. So yeah, so when we change the number, so Revit, the first thing Revit trying to calculate is the overall angle. Even if we have a parameter angle to control it, but trust me, it won't work. It won't work this way. So what we need to do is just place one here and do an array. Use the last. Okay, use the last. So now let me try. So maybe I just want 80 degree, right? So I give 6, 3, or even 6. So it will just place it in this half circle. So if I go to 3D view, so you can see it will rotate from here. So 180 degree. So which means this time when we change this one to even 6, 12, 13, 20, it will stay in this, like 180 degree. It won't break this array. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do is we need to control the angle. So this is a little bit tricky actually. So because we can see it's actually here, it's invisible. So if we try to drag, select here, or you can just zoom in. Oh no, you can't really see, but move your cursor around here, you can actually pick this up or here. So this is the array. So you can see this is array, and we can apply a number to it. So let's add a parameter. So maybe call it a number instance, and OK. So now we can control the number of this element from here, right? So, and then another thing we want, because we don't want this gap, we want to control the angle, because currently it's 180 degree from from start to end. So can we just change the angle to maybe, instead of 180 degree, maybe like 270 or 300, so all these individual elements can be placed evenly, like spread out, instead of staying in this half circle. So it's a similar situation. It's here, it's invisible. You just need to zoom in enough so we can see here. Oh, actually here, and it also looks like we have some issue here, so we can't here, sorry, I think it's probably because we are in 3D view, so we won't be able to, we can't create a parameter. And also when we try to use a dimension I'm not sure which one actually, try to do this one, it won't work. See, it doesn't really work. So what we are going to do is go to floor plan, okay, and then try to zoom in and select, sorry, try not to select anything. It's a bit tricky here. Maybe I'll try it's already WF wireframe. Maybe just try to click here. Okay, so now, and then see, move your cursor onto this arc, right? So this is the array. Try to tab again, click. Now this time, so see here, so we can make temporarily sorry, dimension permanent. So which means we have a dimension for that angle. So currently it's 180, right? So now even if we go back to no, we need to stay in floor plan. So, and then we just need to select this dimension and create an angle, right? So let's maybe call it A with instance parameter. So now what we need to do is we need to adjust the angle to evenly place this. Hang on. Now we have this dimension here. Maybe we don't want to see it. Maybe HH, not delete. Do not delete it. Just hide it. Go to family types. So now if I change this one, change angle, for example 300, so 360 or 330, sorry, and 330, and it looks like this is perfect, right? So if I change this one to 10, for example, and we need to do some adjustment, I believe, or maybe change to 6. You can't really say. Try 12 again. Yeah, it looks like quite okay, but something must be 12, or maybe these two number matches. So maybe I'll change it to 10. There might be some, see if there's a gap somewhere. Still looks fine. Interesting. If I change to 5, okay, now you can see it start to, no, this is not right? So change it to 8 maybe. How can, it looks like it's perfect. Do we have a parameter? We don't even have a parameter. 360 currently. Do we have the angle 360? 330. What if I change to 180? No. how about I increase this number? Okay, so we have a gap here. Okay, so let's stop here. So actually what I discovered, so I just previously discovered that the angle should be this number. Whatever this number is, so this angle needs to be this. So let's just put that in the formula into here. 360 minus 360 divided by the number NO dot. So apply. You see, this will fill that gap. And then if I change it to 10, still perfect, right? If I change it to 6, so previously it's not perfect, but this time it is. This is annoying. Maybe I'll change it to scale so it's smaller. Yeah, so this is it. So which means we don't need any of those like reference lines, because sometimes when we need a rotation angle in a family, a lot of time we need to add reference line, lock onto reference plane, then try to add a angle. But for this one, we don't really need. We just need to place this family in the middle, and then do an array, do a radial AR. Yeah. Okay, so do a radial array, and make sure you use last. And I think this. Oh, hell. So the last thing, we're going to have those parameters. So because we want to control this one, right? So the size, the overall height, the radius. So we can tab, select one of the family, edit type, and then here. So let's just do another H for this one. So maybe I'll just use instance parameter. So when I load into the project, and it can be easier to change them. Okay, so instance as well, and also do we have yes, we have a number which is instance as well. Angle we don't need to worry because we have a formula. So sometimes I don't want it to be shown here in this folder, so I'll just change the group. So I'll just put it in other. So now we can have a test. So I'll just create a project. So maybe I'll just use template, and then load this into this project. And I'll just place a few. So 1, 2, 3, and then have a look. So go to 3D view. So we have 3 of them, and because we have instance parameter, we can change the size. So this is radius, and this is height. Oops, this one's not right. Looks like we have some issue with the height. Okay, so that's fine. We can fix it. Maybe 500, and then the number also we can change the number, right? Oh, that's too much. Sorry, too many. So yeah, so that's 20. The height looks like the height is not working for now. Oh, this one's working. How about this one? Why this one's not working? Yeah, I'm not sure. 2 meter. Oh, it works. 3 meter. Oh, why? Let's have a look. So I'll just go to family. Go to this family. Try to change this one to 3 meter. Okay, so we have some issue in the family, so that's fine. Tab, select one of them, edit. So let's try 3 meter in this family. Apply. Okay, so can't keep. Oh, looks like something. This one's maybe it's because. Yeah, not quite sure. Looks like the half of the family is broken. So it's probably, it looks like it's because we can't join them perfectly. So maybe we can, let's just unjoin. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, they individually they are okay, but when we try to join them, so we have some issue because of, I guess it's because of all the, you know, curve thing. We know that it happens quite often. So when we try to join curved surfaces, so that's fine. So let's just keep them separated. So yeah, that should be fine. So load this one into the first the family override. So now this time if I change this one to 3 meter, should be fine. Yeah, okay, good. Now we can load this one into a project override, and this time when I change this one to 3 meter, it should be okay. Okay, so I think this is it. So I increase the number of this. No problems. So yep, so this is it, parametric family which we can adjust the height, the radius, the number of these individual curved element, and yep. So if you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you.